Oh Lord, let me see. Rotate device. Let's stay on this. Oh, awesome. Cool. Hey, you guys. Good morning. I'm literally on 2 different lives right now, so y'all might see me look this way and that way. So I'm on live on YouTube on this phone, but I'm on live on Instagram on this one. So good morning. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Right now it's currently 9:25 in the morning, so right now I'm looking at US30. But also just gonna come on here and just talk about some stuff. And hey, you guys, for those who are hopping on here from YouTube, I'm on 2 different lives, so you might see me look this way. Come on Instagram as well. But what we're doing, hey, how are you, David? But yeah, so what we're looking at right now is US30. Just showing you guys what I'm looking at right now, which I'm gonna go ahead and turn my screen. But really just waiting for a simple breakout from a certain area. I'm gonna show Instagram first, and then I'm gonna show YouTube. So let's do this one. All right, let's see. I'm gonna show you guys can see. Hold on. Not sure if it's really working. There you go. There you go. Right. So this is really where I'm looking at right now with US30. Price definitely is going up. I'm gonna show you guys too. But price is coming back to this certain zone. Right? Price was going like this. This is off of a 1 hour time frame, and price is right here now, breaking that little trend that it was doing, going down, which is where price is at right now, which is as if it's trying to approach this side, right? So what I'm just basically waiting for right now is definitely that break. But remember, like I said, price is back right over here where this 1 hour was. 1 hour candlestick zone is right here. Let me go ahead and get my other phone real quick, because I have my live going on for YouTube as well, so people can see. And let me go ahead and see if I can flip my camera. There you go. Boom. All right, awesome. So as you guys can see, as I was showing y'all, hold on. All right, price is right up here. Okay, price came over here to this zone and right here as well, which is off of a 1 hour time frame. So there is a chance that price could actually start doing a strong sell going down. But what we're also going to do is go down to the lower time frame. Right, price was definitely in a little uptrend within that lower time frame. But now what price is currently doing is approaching this zone, right, where it's been consolidating in. And it's, again, at a 1 hour area of resistance. So I wouldn't be surprised if it does try to go down to a sell. But it can still continue to push up and match up with the 4 hour, right? Come here and try to match up and touch this zone up here. So, again, that's why I'm just waiting for the breakout from this zone. And then I'm going to enter off of that. Okay. Not only am I going to wait for price to break out of here, right, out of this zone right here that's moving, but I'm also going to wait for price to also break either below this little trend line that has been in for the past 15 minutes down, right, and retest, of course, or it's going to just go up, break out from here and retest going up, retesting that 1 hour again area. So that's what we're really waiting for. Let me go ahead and mark this up as well, because price is going to start moving soon. I know that for a fact. And price is definitely going to start moving soon. And we can just watch it together. But yeah, price is definitely going to start moving soon. Now, this phone right here that I'm moving, which is on Instagram, you guys might see me have to hop off real quick in case if I might have to enter the trade off my phone. But you guys will still see the breakout and everything as well. I love lo-fi music, or I think that's what you call it, right? Lo-fi or lo-fi. I don't know. So we're just waiting. We're going to see what price do. And as you guys can see, I have like these little things right here where it says confirmation buy, sell, stuff like that. It's really just based off of my indicators. Like if all my indicators meet, then it's just gonna alert me like it's a strong sell, strong buy, stuff like that. But yeah, we're just gonna wait. So as we see, price is breaking below. All right, you guys. So price broke below. Golly. So price did go down. So I'm already in the trade. I'm in the trade for one, but I already took my profit. I will drop the screenshot, you guys, for y'all for that one. And then I'm also going to wait for that retest as well. Oh, let me turn it down real quick. Right, so I'm going to wait for that retest. Now, you guys remember, like I said, these alerts going to come on based off of my indicators. When they match up, went for that breakout, it lets me know, right? So, boom, as I told y'all, price was going to do its move, and it already did. It's definitely broke out downwards into a sell. This white line, remember, was an area of a strong, 1 hour resistance. So that is where price was consolidating. Now, again, this is how people can just pip and dip, make their money and go, right? Which I'm already in this trade as far as I already took my profit from right here. All these indications, y'all, I have I have all these indicators that will like literally like alert me on 1, 5, and 15 if it matches. Like on the 15-minute, see how it broke out? So it alerted me from that 5-minute, and then of course the 1 minute, because that's where the big move happened. So now, yeah, we're just waiting. Okay, now this is what I mean by retest. If we go down to the 1 minute time frame, you're gonna probably see this white candlestick trying to retest this zone. All right. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, we also see again price has been here in this area before and rejected. Okay. However, we don't know. Price could try to go on the upside. Well, this didn't really give a good W form, is what I was looking at, but we're gonna go ahead and go back to the lower time frame so we can really pay attention to what price is doing. Now, as you guys see, price did come back to that line, so we're gonna see if it's gonna continue to retest, right, and go down. However, if people did hop in and out, that was a quick pip and dip. Okay, especially when you have a big lot size. This is how people can make a quick $300 just off that candlestick breakout. But we're gonna sit here and just watch. And it's crazy. Someone asked me, do I trade on Fridays? I actually normally don't. To be honest, I usually trade only on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays usually is the best days for me that I like to trade. I don't really like to be in the chart all the time. But yeah, you guys, that is definitely that breakout, right? So now we're just waiting for this to see if it's going to retest to continue downwards. And now let's go here. Right? There you go. See? And you guys really can do this. Like, if you guys have indicators that y'all use, y'all can have it like set up as alerts. I do have the I do have like the paid subscription with the trading view and stuff, but that is really how it works, you guys. Now, of course, as it's coming back, this is how people will get an entry. Now, of course, me personally, I don't like to risk a lot when it comes to trading. So what I mean by that is, this thing's gonna keep doing that. What I mean is that I actually personally like to know that if price is gonna come back towards the zone to possibly sell, right, then I want to know that I'm only risking, like, for example, if I'm entering and I put in a short position, let's just say I want my stop loss to be like right about here. Now y'all see how price is trying to go back down? Okay. All right, there you go. Right? Sorry, y'all, I have to keep going back and forth. But yeah, I usually only trade literally, I'm turning the music down. I usually trade, usually it's always going to be, there you go. I'm on 2 lives, you guys. I'm trying to do this. But as we're waiting for price to do what it do, yeah, I usually only trade on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. You don't really want to over trade. Even if you know you can make money out of the market, and let me put this back where it was, right? Even if you know that you can make money out of the market, you don't want to over trade or just like seem like you're just trading every single day, because you don't really have to do that in order to make your profits and stuff. We're still waiting for, right now it's like price is obviously retesting and stuff. But again, for those who caught that quick sell, that's a quick scalp. And then let's see, trying to fix this real quick on my MT4. All right, there you go. I mean, not my MT4, on my trading view. But yeah, so you guys, that's really how trading is. You know, you want to make sure that you're you know, using your discipline and everything like that. But at the same time, you also want to make sure that when it comes to like trading, hey you guys, you want to make sure that you're also plugging in. Someone said yes, if you're looking to actually get started with trading and stuff like that, in my YouTube, in the description down below, you will see a link. You can definitely click on that link, fill out the survey and stuff, and see if it's for you. And honestly, I believe this is an opportunity that's going to help change your life, simply because it has for me and for a lot of other people as well. And then with that survey that you're going to fill out, that will also help me know what kind of trading is best for you, so we can get you to that level of success that you want to be in. And then but yeah, you guys, so price is currently retesting that zone right now. So this is why, again, when it comes to trading, you do not just enter into trades, you guys, okay? Let's see. There you go. We're going to go here. Let me see. Three, 4, 6, 7, 5. All right. There you go. I'm back, you guys. Grand Rising, good morning, and all of that. But yes. So yeah, right now price is retesting that zone that it broke out of. So again, you guys want to make sure that when it comes to trading, that you are literally waiting for that break, retest, and then go in, because the retest can let you know whether if you're going to enter for that sell or buy or anything like that. But yeah, so now let's just talk about again, like trading. Like, why is trading such an amazing skill to learn? Is because, you know, we all go to school for so many different things, to learn so many different stuff. Same thing when you get a job, when you get a regular job, you go to get the job to learn their way of, you know, their way of a duplicatable system. So it's like, everybody knows how to adapt to a situation or adapt to learning a skill for them to get the type of results that they want. You know, if you go to a 9-to-5, if you go get a job, you get hired, you go through orientations, you go through training, right? You're willing to learn the skill that they have to provide. So you're willing to learn the skill that they are willing to provide to you, right? So that you can duplicate that to get some successful paycheck, right? A paycheck that you're going to get paid every 2 weeks type stuff, right? So it's the same thing with trading. I look at it like that. It's a skill that is unlimitless, where you can actually identify, or you can actually set up how much you want to get paid every day, every month, things like that. So right now, as I'm looking at price right here, all right, and let me see, I'm gonna use this phone real quick. Right around here, okay? So price is currently back at the area of consolidation zone, which was like the retesting zone. All right, and then it's, let me see, it's 9:40. I think someone said in the chat that we have a call today, 8:57. Oh, okay. So yes, like when it comes to trading, it's a very patient thing. You know, you always got to be patient. You have to be willing to understand that the market is going to do what it do. But again, for those who was asking also from YouTube Live and Instagram Live, but yeah, I personally only trade on mainly Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays. I just like those days preferably because I feel like the market moves a lot more in my favor. It still moves in my favor, of course, on Fridays and Mondays, but it's just like going to the store. If you go to the store early in the morning, there's not going to be a lot of customers. It's going to be very slow traffic and all of that. But when you go like in the middle of the day, right, that's when you start to see a lot of it gets busy. There's traffic, right? If you're driving to your job or trying to go get lunch on your break in the middle of the day, it's a lot of traffic. But then when it gets time to close, right, the store down or whatever, it's time to get ready to clock out, go home. Usually by that time, your the job is already like slowed down, right? There's not a lot of customers. People know that the store is closing, so people are not going to come in last minute so much. So it's the same thing like the market is how I look at it. I look at it like in the beginning of the week, it moves a little slow, there's not really a lot of like volatility. A lot of times you might hear a lot of traders say don't trade volatile markets and stuff. I personally love volatile markets. I feel like that's where all the money's at. I like to be where the money's at. But at the same time, if you're also trading during the middle of the week, then I feel like you're going to see a lot more movement. You're going to see a lot more, movements in the market and stuff like that. So right now, price right now is actually at the zone of where the 1 hour resistance is at. Right here. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. I'm not so sure does if anybody knows, is there any way where you can like have on live where the time is unlimited? Like where the time on your live is unlimited. It keeps saying that my time is about to run out. So I feel like I'm going to have to restart my live. But if y'all know that, let me know. Or maybe I got to look it up on YouTube. Like, I don't know why it always lets me know that my time is about to run out. And then I have to restart the live again. But if y'all know how to change that, then y'all can let me know that too. But I'm going to just let it keep running until it runs out. Then I'll restart. But yeah, so let's see. Question here. Yes, where the money reside. Exactly. You always want to trade where the bank is at. Like, because the same thing, you guys got to think about it like this too. Like being real. You have to think about it like this. IG letting you know you giving out too much free sauce. Look, I swear. Like, it's so funny. Somebody was telling me because yesterday I was having so much trouble posting on my story, on my feed. I'm like, bro, Instagram is not trying to let me be great today. And that was yesterday. So I'm like, bro, what they on? They trying to not have me upload some stuff for y'all. But yes, one thing is that you definitely want to trade where the banks are at. And you got to think about it like this. Remember, the market is created for you to lose money. So the same way how they know that as retail traders, we trade by support, resistance, trends, pullbacks, all that kind of stuff, right? So it's like they can also have you enter, like, let's just say, price is at an area of support. Okay, this is why people say the three touch rule. When price touches an area like 3 times, usually it's gonna break out, which means like if price touches an area of support 3 times, majority of times it's gonna break out of that zone. While a lot of traders would be like, oh, it's at support, so that means it's gonna go into a buy. But understand that the people who are also like the big bankers, the people who really knows what they're doing, they know that we think like that. So while we gonna sit here and press buy to get in the trade, also because maybe we didn't wait for that break and retest, we didn't wait for those confirmations, because that's how a lot of traders trade, which is why 95% of traders are not consistently profitable. So yeah, if they know that we're gonna go in and buy at an area of support, they might just move the market to where it breaks down away from support and now retest as resistance, and everybody who was in that trade smack stop loss, right? And that's how, again, that's how they take your money in the market too. So we have to understand that's why market structure, price action, patterns and stuff like that are like so important as well to keep in mind when you're trading. But yeah, I mean that's really what I have to say. I do know that I think our team is gonna have a call in 15 minutes, and they're still trying to tell me that my time is running out. You guys, if you guys see this shut off, then I'm gonna be back. Okay, it's trying to tell me this thing is gonna run out. But yeah, that is something to definitely keep in mind, especially when it comes to trading. Like when it comes to trading, trading is a beautiful skill, and just investing in general. Like you guys, there's so many ways to make money online. Like trading is one of them, which I absolutely love. But there's also network marketing. There's also affiliate marketing. You know, when you can promote products and get paid for it. When you can build your own business online, it's just amazing to see the type of generation that we're in with technology that is literally taking over how a lot of people can become successful. You know, and I like to tell people, like, if you really think about it, this is also the time where there's going to be new millionaires. You know, there's going to be new 6-figure earners, 7-figure earners, but then it's going to be unfortunate. There's going to be a new wave of poor people. So you got to ask yourself, man, do I want to be part of that number of poor people? You don't, you know? So yeah, that's why they say you have to be aware of your surroundings, aware of your environment, because the environment is changing every second as we speak. You know, we got Domino's having that little robot car thing that's delivering pizza. They're finding ways to innovate technology so that it can replace humans, so that they don't have to pay humans every single day. And think about it, that's investing. People who has businesses invest into ways to automate their business. So you got to think they will do anything to find ways to have humans not have to work, right? But then if you don't have a way of sustainable income, then you're going to be sitting here like, dang, I don't got no money like that. You know, it's the same thing like grocery stores. You know, grocery stores are really like doing it too. Like anytime you see self-checkout, a lot of times people just be like, you know, oh, it's just self-checkout. I'll just, you know, it ain't nothing. No, self-checkout is so that people can start being self-sufficient, so that they don't have to hire cashiers and all that kind of stuff. I know when I go to the grocery store, it's like not a lot of cashiers. Sometimes people are just like, where are the cashiers at? But it's because we have all these self-checkouts and stuff. They don't need to have 10 cashiers on a register anymore. They might only have 2 or 3. So now that's less job opportunities for other people, you know? So that's why it's really smart to invest into different ways for you to actually start growing your income and becoming successful just in life. But success doesn't mean it has to be somebody else's version of success. Like my version of success is to have 7 and 8 figures so I can be able to live the lifestyle that I want, buy houses outright, Somebody else's version of success could just simply be that they want to be able to be a teacher. Nothing wrong with that, right? They might want to be a teacher and be able to teach, or be the best teacher or professor and teach a whole bunch of students, you know, how to become a doctor. And that could be their version of success. So success is not one topic. Success is whatever you believe within yourself that you're passionate about, so that you can become successful in that criteria. So that's one thing I want a lot of people to know, is that success is what makes you happy. Success is what you believe, you know, is your purpose. That's when you're successful. Successful is not always about money. It's not always about having to make this and that. But yes, if you want to be successful with something, you got to put in the work. Even like for me, like with Us30, as y'all saw, price broke out. That was a quick sell. It actually retested at this area of support, bounced back up, went back up, right, to the 1 hour resistance. So as we saw that just earlier around 9:30, in order for you to become successful with something, you have to study it. So that way you will be able to just know how it moves. Understand that, okay, this is what price is going to do, or this is what, just things like that. But yeah, and you definitely want to stick with one pair at a time. But you guys, this thing is saying I got 30 seconds. So in 30 seconds, you will see me probably gone. But let's see. Sure. Yep.